Welcome back to Pure Science Education, and this is a GCSE question on life cycle assessment for paper 2 in chemistry. It's asking you to look at disposable cups made from coated paper or polystyrene. It gives you data, and what you're meant to be doing is evaluating the use of coated paper compared with polystyrene to make disposable cup. It's asked in the table to use the data and your knowledge and understanding of LCA. We're going to look at the answer. So the raw material, so basically because you're using crude oil, is finite and can run out. In comparison to if you're using wood, which is renewable. Wood also needs lots of land to grow, and it takes a lot of time to grow. And in order for the wood to grow, you need to do deforestation, you're clearing out places. And what that means is reduces biodiversity. Both this process are going to need energy from finite resources, which eventually will run out. Paper, it's got more energy intense, so more pollution is possible. The need for more energy for paper potentially will release more CO2 in terms which increase in global warming. Paper will involve high water usage as well, which will then increase water pollution. Plastic cups are heavier to transport, so you're going to need high energy and fuel to get them transported. And the packaging requirement is very similar depending on the usage as well. When you do compare and contrast, you should always do both sides of the story. So let's look at, like, both of them are single use, so neither of them are given the advantage of reusing, so that means you're going to have to dispose them. And paper releases more energy in terms of incineration, so energy could have been used for other purposes. Paper will decompose, and which means it doesn't end up in land site long term. Polystyrene could release toxic fumes on incineration, so that means it's going to add to global warming. It's going to end up in land site because it's not biodegradable. Also, making polystyrene is going to need finite resources. Both of them will lead into littering and visual pollution in swarm format. Thank you for listening.